right, this is the Olaplex number 5, the Bond Maintenance Conditioner. This stuff has saved my hair. I love it. It lasts a really long time. I obviously need to restock, but this is a few more washes for me, just this bit. It's super duper thick. Like, I'll show you. I keep it upside down because, look at that. I mean, it's not coming out unless you force it out. It is super duper viscous, so a little bit goes a long way. It's the texture. I usually leave it on in the shower for about 5 minutes and then rinse it out with not hot water, kind of warm water. But I color my hair, I bleach my hair pretty regularly, and this has literally saved it. Repairs, strengthens, and nourishes all hair types. My hair is pretty thick, so it can handle this because it is a heavy product, even though you wash it out. If you have really thin or fine hair, it might not be great, but for me, it's a lifesaver. So highly, highly recommend. 10 out of 10.